Methane, CH4, is second only to carbon dioxide in its contributions to the greenhouse effect and accounts for about 15% of human-caused global warming. Once in the atmosphere, methane oxidizes to carbon dioxide in about a dozen years. Humans emit large amounts of methane. Contrary to popular belief, the majority of humans do not release methane when they pass flatus gas. This provides yet another reason why attempts to ignite these emissions are seldom worthwhile. Other human activities do emit large amounts of methane. Over 75% of the world's rice is grown in flooded paddies. Soils during flooding soon become oxygen limited, and soil microbes generate methane or marsh gas through anaerobic respiration. Clearing of agricultural land through burning also produces methane because of incomplete combustion. Animals, particularly ruminants such as cows, sheep, and goats, have bacteria in their digestive tracts that generate methane. A major component of natural gas is methane, and losses of methane occur during natural gas extraction, processing, storage, transmission, and distribution. All told, the human activities of agriculture, biomass burning, and energy production release somewhere around 320 gigatons of methane per year. These sources, together with natural wetlands and non-domestic animals such as wild ruminants and termites, emit a total between 410 and 660 gigatons of methane per year. Various scenarios about future demographics, social, economic, technological, and environmental conditions predict over a twofold range for future global methane emissions and atmospheric concentrations. A third major greenhouse gas is nitrous oxide, which constitutes about 6% of human-caused climate forcing. Nitrous oxide is perhaps best known as laughing gas because inhalation not only acts as an anesthetic, but induces a state of euphoria. Drag racers inject nitrous oxide instead of gaseous oxygen into their engines because combustion of nitrous oxide releases both oxygen and extra energy. Normal concentrations of nitric oxide in the atmosphere, however, are only 1/millionth of those required to induce laughing or boost combustion. Atmospheric nitrous oxide is part of the global nitrogen cycle. Most nitrous oxide derives from denitrification, in which microbes conduct anaerobic respiration using nitrogen compounds such as nitrite or nitric oxide as electron acceptors instead of oxygen. Agricultural irrigation and fertilizer greatly enhance these emissions. Once in the atmosphere, nitrous oxide converts to dinitrogen gas over a period of about a century. Most of the world's nitrous oxide emissions comes from land areas under intensive agricultural cultivation. Improved fertilizer and irrigation practices, as is assumed in scenario groups A1b, B2, A1t, and B1, are expected to lower nitrous oxide emissions during the 21st century. Without such measures, such as in scenarios A1fi and A2, nitrous oxide emissions and atmospheric concentrations are likely to rise 63% during the century.